Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to chat with the Etsy support. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do now is just to click on your account. So basically it really depends either you are using your seller account or your buying account. So here, if we go down, we will find this help center and then you click on help center. So basically here you can get the help either with shopping or selling. And from here you can contact Etsy support. So this is the easiest way to contact the support. You will click on it. And basically here still you won't find like the direct way where you can uh, contact the support. So basically you will go to buying for example, and from here you will need like click on help when on order, and basically you might click on I still need help, and from here you will get the chat. So basically it will be specifically, or it will be dependent on which problem that you are facing. For example, for selling on Etsy, you can go, for example, my account is suspended, and here there is another type of contacting with the support. So you will be needing to file an appeal. And basically, in case of issues, you will be able to file an appeal, and from there the support will receive your message and they can contact you by email. So it really depends on what kind of issues. You will need just to go to any issues that you have, for example managing listing, and from here we go here, and here you will find all the FAQs article or answers, and whenever you don't find like your uh, answer, you will need just to click on I still need help, and basically you will be able to email the contact support. And as you can see here, you will find email us, and in the previous one we found contact us. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.